Room 8529, Riviera Maya, Barcelo's Resort and Spa. Only thing you have to do is flash your key. This is a ocean front room accommodations. Each guest should have 2 robes. Plenty of closet space. You get a pair of slippers, beach towels, coffee maker. You have a mini bar. Sure if you can see it, you have chips, Alka-Seltzer, mini bar with peanuts, beer, juice, water, sodas. One of the pluses for me is this large bathroom. Please view the bathroom. You have a tub, you have a shower, and you also have this shower. They have the amenities on the wall for you just in case. This shower do not have any doors, as you can see here, but I have a room, so it was fine. No water came out on the floor. All your amenities here in the bathroom. Very decorated, very nice. This is your bathroom with your toilet. And one of the exciting things that I like was this is the way you flush the toilet. This is for number 1. And this is for number 2. Now we're going to go around to the room. You have more closet space here. And you have your digital safe, extra pillars, blankets, your ironing board, iron. How lovely is this room? This area where you can put your suitcase or have guests sit down on. This is a king size bedroom. Flat screen TV. Very, very lovely room. You have your living room couch set. And here is a view of the ocean front. I must say, during my experience here, the staff was lovely, very accommodating. The property is huge. It's good for families and couples. So please check with www.tpenterprise at Bye. I'm checking out. www.tpenterprise.com. My email address is T is in Tina, P is in Paul, ENTERPRISE travel@yahoo.com. So please call me for any bookings that you might be inquiring, prices, specials, and we will be able to accommodate you. Signing off, Tina Price.